Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, today we are going to discuss the chapter of class 10 areas related to circles. So here we are going to complete the chapter right from the basics till the advanced level. So we are going to cover all the work examples and also the exercise problems in this one short video. So the student who doesn't know the basics, the students who are finding difficult to study mathematics or any certain things, no worries. Till the Shasar is here, no need to get fear. Let's get started. Now, areas related to circles. Now, children, very simple. The chapter states that area and circles. Understood? Here we are studying some properties of the circles. In this chapter, we are going to study certain properties with respect to circles. Okay. Then what is circles? We have got that explanation in our next video. We are going to cover circles in the next video. Right now, we are covering areas related to circles. Now, just one small basic. We know that, let me say, this is a circle. What is a circle? A circle is a locus of a point which is equidistant from the center. That is the definition of a circle. What is a circle? A circle is a locus of a point which is equidistant from the center. From center you measure any distance. From center you measure any distance. Always it will be equal. So this is called as circle. Okay. Now can you see here the area which is covered? Can you see here? The area which is covered are can you see this area which is traveling here outside the circle? This particular region, can you see the shaded region here? This particular region, this particular area is called as circumference. What we call that as? We call that as circumference. Clear? Clear? So circumference is nothing but, what is circumference? The area which is traveled throughout the circle. Can you see this area which is traveling throughout the circle? That is called as circumference. Now, dear students, we have the formula to find the circumference of a circle. Now, what is the formula to find the circumference of a circle? To find the circumference of a circle, we have the formula 2 pi r. 2 pi r is the formula to find the circumference of a circle. Any doubts? Understood? If you want to find this complete region, understood? That is called as circumference. To find the circumference of a circle, we have the formula 2 pi r. Now, one most important thing is there, children, here. Example, let me take a triangle. Have you heard the word perimeter? Perimeter. What is the meaning of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Sum of all the sides. If you are going to add all the sides, that is called as perimeter. Let me say ABC is a triangle. If anyone asks you, find the area of a perimeter of a triangle or find the perimeter of a triangle. How can you find the perimeter of a triangle? You should add all the three sides AB plus BC plus AC or CA. Let me say this is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So perimeter of a triangle means 2 plus 3 plus 4. That's nothing but we say as 9 centimeter. This is the perimeter of a triangle. If you are going to add all the sides, that is called as perimeter. Perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides of a triangle. You take anything. Let you take any quadrilateral. What is the perimeter of this figure? You should add all the sides. Simple. If you add all the sides, that is called as perimeter. Now, dear students, let me come back to this figure. In case if they ask you to find the perimeter of a circle, how can you find the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides. In circle, how many sides are there? We have only one side. What is that one side? That is only circumference. Clear? We have only one side. What is that one side? That is only circumference. So remember, in circle case, we say circumference of a circle or perimeter of a circle, both are one and the same. The formula is 2 pi r. Any doubts? Any doubts? Let you say circumference of a circle or let you call that as a perimeter of a circle, both are one and the same. So the formula is 2 pi r. That's it. Is the concept is clear? Is the concept is clear? Understood the meaning of circumference or perimeter of a circle? Very good. Now, let me come back to the chapter. Now, straight away, I'm just coming to the chapter. Now, what is the chapter here? Let me say, for an example, let me take one small question to understand the meaning of circumference. Okay, one basic problem. Make a note. Before entering into the chapter, let me understand some basics. Take down the question. Find the circumference. Take down the question. Find the find the find the find the find the circumference. Find the circumference and area of the circle and area of the circle of radius of radius of radius 17.5 centimeter. Find the circumference and area of the circle of radius 17.5 centimeters. Interesting. Now, as you can see here in this given problem, they have highlighted two things. The first part is what? They are asking circumference, we know very well. And also they are asking one more thing, that is area. Here they are asking us to calculate two things. One is circumference they are asking us to calculate, and the second one they are asking to find the area. My dear students, we have the formula to find the circumference of a circle and also to find the area of the circle. Now, let me say this is a circle. Let me call this as a circle in which what is this? Circumference. Understood? Now, in first case, they are asking us to calculate this circumference. And in the second case, they are asking us to find this. Can you see this shaded region? Area. Understood? The region which is bounded inside the circumference of a circle, that is the area. To find this circumference, we have the formula 2 pi r. To find this area, we have the formula pi r square. Any doubts? Understood? To find circumference, we have the formula 2 pi r. Similarly, to find the region inside the circle, that is called as area of the circle, we have the formula pi r square. Simple. Now, first case, to find the circumference of a circle, you can take it as 2 pi r. 2 into the value of pi, we have two things. See, it depends upon the situation, you have to use the value. Sometimes we take the value of pi as 22 by 7 and sometimes we take the value of pi as 3.142. Both are one and the same. But to be in safer side, I consider pi value 22 by 7 in this chapter. Again, the same value of pi in surface area and volume, I am going to consider some numericals as 3.14 and in some numericals as 22 by 7. I'll tell you when we have to use these two options. Understood? But here, as of now, we take 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7 into the radius is 17.5. The radius is 17.5. Now, first you check 7 and 2 will get cancelled, or 7 and 17.5 will get cancelled or not. First you check that. How can we check? 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So shall we go with 14? 7 twos are 14. This point as it is, 17 minus 14, 3. So it becomes 35. 7 5 is 35. Clear? 17.5 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Understood? 7 twos are 14. So 17 minus 14 is 3. Whatever the remainder you get, you have to shift here. Before 3. Before 3, whatever the remainder value you have got, if you are going to shift before the next digit, it becomes 35. Now this 7 5 is 35. So after 17 we have a point. So here also we are keeping a point. So the answer is 2.5. Now we have to multiply 2 into 22 into 2.5. So 2 into 22 is 44 into 2.5. So what is the value of 44 into 2.5? You will be getting the answer as 110. Since it is circumference, you should write centimeter. Only when it comes area, you should write centimeter square. Volume, centimeter cube. Except area and volume. If you see anything, you just write centimeters. Only in the question, if you find the word area, square units. Whatever the meter they have given, meter square. Centimeter they have given, centimeter square. Volume, meter cube, centimeter cube. Except area and volume word, any other word comes, only centimeter, only units. Followed? So this is how we are going to find the circumference. Similarly, now they are asking us to find the area of the circle. To find the area of the circle, we have a formula called as pi r square. We have the formula pi r square. Now, we know that the value of pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 17.5. Children, most of you will write r square as 17.5 whole square. My sincere advice, don't write whole square. Don't write whole square. Instead of writing whole square, better you write 17.5 two times. Don't write whole square. Write that value 2 times. समझ में बेटा? 22 by 7 into 17.5 into 17.5. Now already we have done here one calculation, isn't it? We have done here, no, this word. Can you see this? 22 by 7 into 17.5. If you are going to calculate this, what is the value we have got? Just now. What's the value? 7 and 17.5 get cancelled, it becomes 2.5. Am I right? Now we have to multiply 22 into 2.5 into 17.5. If you are going to multiply all these three values, what will be the answer? Check. 22 into 2.5 into 17.5. You'll get the answer 962.5 centimeter square. Why square? Because it is area. So we should write centimeter square. 962.5 centimeter square. Understood the basics? Children, so whatever the problem I am solving here, the same problem, it will be helpful for you people for the chapter circles, and also the same calculation will be helpful for you in the chapter surface area and volume. So these basic calculations will be applied for all the three chapters. I hope you have got the difference between area and circumference or perimeter. I hope you have got the difference between these three following. Am I right? Now one more problem let me solve from the basics. Let me see. Take down. Next question number 2. If the area of a circle, if the area of a circle, if the area of a circle is 154 centimeter square, if the area of a circle is 154 centimeter square, then find its circumference. Then find its circumference. Okay. Now in this problem, what they have given? They have given the area. Am I right? They have already given the area value. It means they have given area of circle as 154 centimeter square. What is area of circle? That is pi r square value they have given. They have given the value of pi r square. Area they have given is nothing but they have given the complete value of pi r square. Total pi r square if you multiply, pi and r square if you multiply, what value is there? They have given that value. Area given means nothing but pi r square value they have given. Now they are asking us to calculate circumference. My dear students, we know the formula to find the circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. Now as you can see 2 we know, pi is 22 by 7 we know, but here we don't know r. To find that r, to find that value of r, they have given the hint here, this area they have given the hint. By using this hint, you have to find that unknown. Finding that unknown, you are going to find the circumference. Followed? Understood? Now we know that r square is 154 divided by pi. What is r square? 154 divided by pi. Pi r square is 154. Keep r square as it is. Shift pi down. Cross multiply. So pi will come down. Isn't it? Now r square is equals to 154 divided by pi is 22 by 7. What is pi? 22 by 7. Now that is equals to 154 into this 22 by 7. This 22 by 7, if it comes to the numerator, it becomes 7 by 22. Clear? 22 by 7, denominator to the denominator, if it's shifted upward, it becomes 7 by 22. Clear? Now, what is 154 into 7? Quick. What is 154 into 7? Make it fast. 107. Huh? 107? 8. Do you want me to multiply this? First you tell me that. See, here we are reducing. We don't want a simple answer to become a complex. A small answer, we don't want to make a bigger answer. Always the bigger answer should be shifted to smaller answer. Understood? Now, look at here. Now, what am I going to do it here? The same value, 154 into 7 by 22. I'll write it as it is. Can you write 154 in terms of anything? Does it get cancelled?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
2 ones are 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. Remainder 1 14.
Yes, sir.
2 sevens are 14. 11 ones are 11. 11 sevens are 77. So r square is 7 into 7 49. R is equals to root 49. That's nothing but 7 centimeter. Right, 7. 7 7 get cancelled. 44 centimeters. Clear? Understood? They have given one value. By using that value, we are finding the other value. Okay, students. Now, we will enter to our chapter. Okay? Observe here. Again, I am repeating. Let me say this is a circle as center O. O is our center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. Okay. Now, I am going to draw one radius. What I am going to draw? A radius. Okay. Let me say this as OA. What is OA? It is a radius of the circle. Again, I am going to draw one more radius. Again, I am going to draw one more radius. Let me call it as B. Let me call that as B. Now, whenever we have two radius, with some angle. Can you see this? This is one radius, this is one radius. This is one radius, this is one radius. Between these two radius, as I am going to open this two radius, you can see the angle is there. Now we have a small angle here. If I tilt little more, I am getting a bigger angle. Still more tilt, we are getting a bigger angle. It means that these two radius are subtended with some angle. These two radius are subtended with some angle. Let me call that as theta. Understood? Let me call that as theta. OA and OB are the radius. Between these two radius, we have some angle. Between these two radius, we have some angle. That is called as theta. Clear? Now, let me take a point on the space here, somewhere point C. Somewhere I am going to take a point called as C. Here, somewhere I am going to take a point called as D. Here, somewhere I am going to take a point called as D. Okay. Children, one interesting point. Let me say this is a box. Okay. In this box, I have this region. Can you see this? I have this region. Similarly, now here, this is complete region. Completely I have filled. Similarly, I am going to take one more box in which I am going to draw one line, and here also I am going to shade. Here also I am shading. Do you have a difference between this figure and this figure? Yeah. We have the difference, right? Here the complete box is shaded. Here not complete box is shaded. Only a partial part of the box is shaded. Partial part, not complete part. Even similarly here too. Here you can see this is a partial part of this circle, correct? Can you see the region which I have shaded here? This is a partial part. I am not shading the complete circle. I am just shading some small part of the circle. Which part? Small part of the circle. Now this small part of the circle. Now this small part of the circle. This complete region is called as sector of a circle. Understood? Understood the meaning of sector of a circle? Sector of a circle is nothing but inside the circle, we have got a small part, a small region that is called as sector of a circle. Okay? Clear? Yeah. One more important thing, children. We have understood what is the meaning of sector of a circle here. Now, let me say this as a circle. This as a circle. Now, which region is maximum here? Let me say this is first region and this is my second region. Which region is maximum and which region is minimum? Small part and bigger part. Let me to shade here. Just a minute. To make you to understand, guys, about this concept. This is the region. This is my second region. Okay. And similarly, and this is my another region. Can you see this area? Can you see this area? This is my bigger area. Am I right? This is my bigger area. And this is my smaller area. Am I right? So this smaller area is called as minor. This bigger area is called as major. Concept is clear? Now I told you according to this figure, this is called as sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is nothing but minor sector. Let them ask in the exam, find the minor sector of a circle, or just let them mention, find the sector of a circle, both are same. Both are same. समझ में आया बेटा? सेक्टर ऑफ ए सर्कल पूछो या माइनर सेक्टर, माइनर का मतलब छोटा सेक्टर का एरिया कितना है, बोथ आर सेम. मेजर करके आया तो ही आपको एरिया फाइंड करना. Understood? So this is the difference between minor sector and major sector. So minor sector subtends less than 90. Always the angle is less than 90. And major sector is more than 90. It is a bigger area. Minor sector is smaller area. Major sector is major area. Bigger area. Understood the difference between minor sector and major sector? Concept is clear? About the concept called as minor sector and major sector? Understood or not? So here, as we can say, the area, the region which I have shaded here, this we call it as minor sector or just sector. Which area? Which area is minor sector? O, A, C, B. Can you see this region? Start from O. Start from here O. Start from O. O, A, C, B, O. O, A, C, B, O. This complete. Start from O. A, C, C, B, again O. Join this. Start from O, end with O. Then what happens? It becomes this complete region. This complete region is called as minor sectors. Followed? Followed the concept? So the minor sector is OACBO is called as minor sector. Similarly, OA, start from here. O, A, D, B, O. O, A, D, B, O. Correct? O, A, D, B, O. So this region is our major sector. So this is the difference between minor sector or major sector. And children, don't get confused. Minor sector is also called as just sector. Both are same. Clear? Yeah. Now, copy down this figure. Just copy down this figure. Don't write anything. Just copy down this circle. Draw O. Point out O. And draw OA, B, C, D as it is. Write down below this figure. From the given figure, from the given figure, from the given figure, OACBO, OACBO is a sector of the circle. OACBO is a sector of the circle with center O. With center O. Correct? OACBO. Correct? No? OACBO is what? Is a sector of the circle with center O. Next line. OADBO. OADBO is a major sector of the circle. Is a major sector of the circle with center O. With center O. Next line. Angle AOB. Can you see this? Can you see the figure? AOB. Can you see here we have got one angle? AOB के बीच में एंगल है. A से स्टार्ट करो. O बीच में, B को एंड हो रहा है. Between this we are getting one angle. Angle AOB is called the angle of the sector. Angle AOB is called angle of the sector. Angle of the sector. Yeah. Students understood till here? Angle AOB is called the angle of the sector. But usually we take angle AOB as theta. We usually take the symbol as theta. Angle name as theta. I hope you have understood till here. Now, note. Take one note. Note. Sector of a circle. Sector of a circle is also called as sector of a circle, is also called as minor sector. Sector of a circle is also called as minor sector of a circle. Minor sector of a circle. Okay. Now let me see here what is the formula which we use to find the area of sector. Make a note, very important formula. Area of a sector is equals to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So this is the formula which we use to find the area of a sector. Okay. Which sector? Minor sector. Which sector? Either they say sector or let they say minor sector, both are same. This is the formula which we use to find the area of a minor sector or just a sector. Next line. Area of major sector. Area of major sector. Now children, how can we find the area of a major sector? Just now we got the formula to find the area of minor sector. Then how can we find the area of major sector? Very simple. Suppose I have a box. What I have? Box. Okay. Now I have 10 rupees to buy this box. How much? Or let me say I have 10 chocolates in this box. How many chocolates? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Totally I have 10 chocolates. Okay. Now out of these 10 chocolates, now what am I going to do it here? What I'm going to do it here? I'm going to remove these 4 chocolates. I'm going to remove this 4 chocolates. Now how many chocolates are left out? How can you say it is 6? Totally we have 10 chocolates. In 10, remove this 4. In 10, remove 4. Remaining is 6. In 10, remove 4. Here also we are finding the area of major sector like that only. We are finding the area of major sector like that only. This complete box is 360 degree. This complete box is 360 degree. In this 360, remove this area of minor sector. Remove this area. From this complete 360 degree, remove this minor sector area. Then the left out is major sector. Understood? Understood? From the complete circle, we know the area of circle is 360 degree. Complete circle area is 360 degree. Correct, no? Don't know. Say man, this is 0 degree man. This is 90. This is 180. This is 270. This complete circle we make 360 degree. 0 to 90, 180, 270, 360. The complete circle is made up of 360 degree. The complete circle is made up of 360 degree. In this 360 degree, you remove this area. Whatever the value you get, you remove this. So remaining is this area. So how to find area of major sector? Write down 360 degree minus area of sector. 360 degree minus area of sector. Which sector? Minor sector. In the complete circle 360, remove area of minor sector. Then left out is area of major sector. Followed? Yes. Children, one more important thing is there. Very, very, very important. See, this is O, this is A, this is B, and somewhere, let me say this is C. OA and OB is what? Radius. Very good. Congratulations. OA and OB is radius. But What is this AB? This ACB. Or you take AB or you take ACB. This complete ACB is not a radius. We call that as arc. What we call as arc. This is Chotu arc. This is Chotu arc. So this is arc of minor sector. And ADB we don't want. We are not concerned about ADB in this chapter. We don't want ADB. We are just concerned with Chotu. That is ACB. This ACB is called as arc. Now I want to find this length. How much it is? What I want to find? Length. What I want to find? Length. Length of what? Arc. Which arc? Minor arc. But I just write to find length of arc. We have the formula to find length of arc, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. What is the formula to find the length of this arc? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Any doubts? Understood? But one small doubt. You know what it is? Sir, confusion, sir. See above formula and see below formula. Theta by 360, theta by 360. By mistake, if I write pi r square for length of arc, problem damar. Instead of writing pi r square, if I write 2 pi r, problem gone. So, I'll give you a small hint how to remember. Hint is same. This only area. Whenever you see a word area, we know area of circle is pi r square. Right, pi r square. If you see length, it is 2 pi r. Got it? Got it? If you see a word area, theta by 360, area pi r square into pi r square. If it is length, don't write pi r square. Opposite to that is 2 pi r. Only two things are left out. In the circle, in the above case, I have told you, no. Only in circle we have two cases. Outside boundary is circumference. Inside boundary is area. Only two things we have got over there. Am I right? Understood till here? Understood till here? Sir. Is the concept is clear? Sir. Understood the concept of sector? Understood the concept of sector? Got it? Yeah. Now similarly, just in few minutes, we are going to cover one more important topic, that is segment. We have completed sector, then we complete segment, then we start with the problems, and then we end with the problem. That is the end of the chapter. Only we have two topics in this: sector problems and segment problems. Nothing else. Understood, children? No need to get fear till the Shah Sir is here. Okay, copy down. Yeah, observe your students. Now we are going to complete the topic called as segment. Till now we have done with sector. Now we are doing with segment. Let me say again same story. Let me call this as a circle. Okay. Let me take a circle. Okay. Now I hope you know one topic in your circle chapter: chord. Chord of a circle. Chord. Now, what is the meaning of chord? First, let me understand. If we have a circle, take any 2 points. Take any 2 points on the circle. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. This line, the line which is formed, this line is called as chord. So, chord is a line segment which is joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Chord is a line segment which is joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. On the circumference of a circle, any 2 points if you are going to join, this line segment is called as chord. Any doubts? Understood the meaning of chord? So chord is a line segment which is joining any 2 points on the circumference of a circle. Now, in case if this chord, whenever you are joining a line, suppose if it is going to pass the center of a circle, then it is called as diameter. If the same chord, if it is passes through center of a circle, then it is called as diameter. So diameter is also a chord. Diameter is also a chord because it is joining any 2 points. Here also 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 it is joining any 2 points. But if it passes through center, diameter. If it is not passes through the center, it's just a chord. So here we have got a word for diameter. Diameter is called as the biggest chord of a circle. Diameter is the biggest chord of the circle. Okay. So here, students, very important concept is I am going to draw a chord. I am going to draw a chord. Let me say this as O. Let me call this as A. Let me call this as B. Let me to take one point in the space as C. Let me to take here somewhere point as D. Now similarly like sector, in segment we don't have any angle. No theta. No theta. We don't have angle. We have a chord. Now you can see the region. From where to where? A, C, B, A. This region. This small region. Below 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. This below region. This small region is called as minor segment. The small region we call it as minor segment. As usual, you know very well. The bigger region is known as major segment. Concept is clear? Understood the meaning of minor segment and major segment? The area which is bounded between A, C, B, A is minor segment. The area which is bounded between A, D, B, A is major segment. Yeah, students. Observe here. Now, how to find the minor segment? How to find the area of minor segment? To find the area of minor segment, first what we should do? First, let me understand that. Suppose, let me say this is a circle. Okay. This is the chord. Now, what I will do? First, I am going to join from here to here. Let me say this is OA. OA is the radius. And I have taken AB as the chord. Again, I am going to join this OB also. Understood? Here, what I have done? I have joined OA. I have joined OB. Now, already we know that the area which is under this complete region, can you see this? What is this complete region? It is a sector. Minor sector. It's something like this. It's something like this. Yes or no? This is complete region, right? It is similar to this region. But here we want only this region. Here we want only this region. Correct? Isn't it? I want only this region. I don't want complete region. To find only this region, what we should do here, to find the area of minor segment, to find the area of minor segment, first we have to calculate, first we have to find area of sector. First we have to find this complete area. In this complete area, can you see here, the above region, it is in the shape of triangle. So here we should do minus area of triangle. To find the area of minor segment, first we have to calculate area of sector and then we have to calculate area of triangle. From the sector, remove triangle area, then remaining area is area of minor segment. Understood how to find the area of minor segment? To find the area of minor segment, what we should do? First we have to calculate the area. First we have to calculate the area of sector. In this area of sector, understand, remove this area from this complete area, remove triangle area, then remaining is this area. From this complete area, remove triangle area, then remaining is this area. This is how we have to find the area of minor segment. Now, We know area of sector how to find. Am I right? Now here how to find area of triangle? To find area of triangle we have two ways. We have two ways how to find the area of triangle. Okay. Observe here. To find area of triangle we have two ways to find it. Kindly make a note. First I'll give the notes. Don't worry. To find first is to find area of triangle I am going to use the formula half into base into height. And one more formula we have to find the area of triangle, that is equals to half into r square sin theta. Half into r square sin theta. In most of the textbooks they have not given this formula. It depends upon the condition what they have given. Sometimes they have not given height. Then how you can find? You have to use this formula. Base they will give me. अबे सर्कल नहीं क्या बेटा? अबे सर्कल में ये बेस हुआ, रेडियस देखो है, बेस देखो है, हाइट देखो है, नहीं देखो है. Then we have to use this formula. If they have given the height, no worries. We can use half into base into height. It depends upon the question. Clear? Now make a note. Just draw this figure. Draw this figure. First copy it on this figure. Heading right segment. Copy it on this figure. How I have shaded, just shade in the same form. Write this as minor segment and write this region as major segment. Okay. Then write down from the given figure. Next line take down. From the given figure ACBA. From the given figure ACBA is minor segment. Is minor segment. ACBA is minor segment. Next line. ADBA is major segment. ADBA is major segment. Done. Now write down formula. Area of minor segment. Make a note. Area of minor segment is equals to area of sector is equals to area of sector O A C B O. Correct? Yes or no? What is the sector name here? Can you see this now? It starts from O. It starts from O. Right? It starts from what? It starts from O. It comes to A. From A it goes to C. From C it comes to B. From B again it comes to O. This complete region is what? Sector. Understood? Area of sector OACBO minus area of triangle OAB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Any doubts? Understood how to find the area of minor segment? Okay. Next line right. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. One more formula to find the area of triangle, make a note. Area of triangle is equals to half 1/2 half into r square sin theta. 1/2 into, that is half into r square sin theta. This is how we find the area of triangle. Next, make a note. Area of major segment. Area of major segment is equals to area of major segment is equals to How can we find the area of major segment? From this complete circle area, what is the area of the circle? From this complete circle area, we have to remove minor segment, correct? Yes, sir. From the complete area, remove minor segment, the left out is major segment. So what is the area of complete circle? Pi r square, correct? Area of circle is pi r square. Make a note. Area of major segment is equals to pi r square minus area of sector. Area of sector. Understood? First you find area of circle. From area of circle, remove area of minor sector. You will get the area of major sector. Okay. I hope the concept is clear for you all. Yes, sir. Sure? Sir. Yeah. Now let me start solving the problems. Take down the first problem. Find the area. This is your worked examples. Find the area of the sector. Find the area of the sector of a circle. Find the area of the sector of a circle with radius 4 centimeter and of angle 30 degree, full stop. Also, comma, find the area of the corresponding major sector. In bracket they have given, use pi is equals to 3.14. Whenever they have given the value like this, use the same value for pi. If they are not given, then you can use 22/7. Okay, guys. Dear students, still if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe. And do not forget to click the like button. If you like this session, hit the like button. And once you complete watching this video, if you want to share to your friends, you can share this video. So let they also get benefited out of. Okay, let they also get benefited from this class. Okay, it's very simple. See the question. Find the area of sector. What is given? Area. Okay, if you want, you can draw a small diagram for your reference. Okay, sector they said, so this is sector. Correct. Let me name this as OAB. Find the area of sector. Right. OAB. Just you write OAB now. So find the area of sector with radius 4 centimeter. So OA or OB is 4 centimeter. Angle is 30 degree. Correct now? First let me find till that point. It means we know the formula, right? Area of sector is equals to theta by 360. As I said you in the beginning, area what is here? So we should use 2 pi r. Correct? No, we have to use pi r square, not 2 pi r. Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. What is theta here angle? 30 degree. 30 divided by 360 into, as of now, wait. Uh, let me take 22/7. Let's see. Pi 22/7. R square. R is 4. 4 into 4. Correct, no? Where radius they have given us 4 centimeter, right? Yes, sir. Done? Look at here. 0, 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Am I right? Then 4 tables. 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Am I right? Now what is left out? 22/7. No? No, in numerator we are left out with 4. Denominator left out with 3. Into 22/7, let me take as 3.14. Understood or not? Yes, sir. Didn't understood? See here. Okay. Once again, I'll do it for your reference. The calculation. What is theta? 30 divided by 360. Pi is, take pi 3.14, they said, let you take 3.14. Pi into r square. Radius is 4. 4 square means 4 into 4. Now, this 0 get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. Then 4 ones are 4. 4 threes are 12. Then left out is 3.14 into 4. Left out is 3.14 into 4 divided by 3. Am I right? 3.14 into 4 divided by 3. If you are now calculate this value, 3.14 into 4 is 12.56 divided by 3. If you multiply 3.14 into 4, 3.14 into 4, you will get 12.56 divided by 3. Then 12.56 divided by 3, how much? It is around 4.19 centimeter square, since it is area. If you want, you can see here 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Here point is there, shift this point as it is. Then 3 ones are 3, remainder 2, 26. Am I right? Yes, sir. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. So you will get 8. Approximately I have taken as 9. If you want, you can take 4.18 also. No worries. 4.18 centimeter square. It's approximate value. Understood? Yes, sir. So here we have found area of sector. And also they have given one more thing. Find the corresponding major sector. They are asking us to find major sector also. Understood? So to find area of major sector, we have the formula. We have the formula, that is area of circle minus area of circle minus area of minor sector. Okay, what is area of circle? Pi r square minus, in the before case I told you 360 degree. If you know angle, you can write 360. Am I right? But here they have given radius, so I am taking pi r square only. So pi r square minus area of minor sector. So what is the area of minor sector here value? What is the area of minor sector? Value just now we got 4.18. 4.18. Write it here. Then observe here, pi is 3.14 into radius is 4 into 4 minus 4.18. So 3.14, 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 3.14, how much? Calculate. 3.14 into 16. What will be the value? 3.14 into 16. The value is 50.24. Am I right? 50.24 minus 4.18. Sure. 50.24 minus 4.18. The value is 46.06. 46.06. So 06 approximation, you can take it as 1. 46.1. Okay. Centimeter square. I hope you have understood how to find the area of minor sector and how to find the area of major sector. Very good. Next question. Make a note. Question number 2. Do it fast. Find the area. Find the area of the segment. Find the area of the segment AYB. Find the area of the segment AYB as shown in the figure. As shown in the figure. Full stop. Sorry, comma. If radius of the circle, if the radius of the circle is 21 centimeter and angle AOB is equals to 120 degree, use pi is equals to 22/7. See, for your help purpose, they have given the value of pi. When what you should use. Okay. Now here, as shown in the figure means, in the question itself, they have given the diagram for you. Okay. Is this clear? Now this is 120 degree. This is 21 centimeter radius, 21 centimeter radius, OAB. And let me take a point in the space as y. Let me take the point in the space as y. So what is the angle they have given? 120 degree. Radius is 21 centimeter. Okay. Clear? Good. Now look at here, students. Now here the question is given as find the area of the segment AYB. Can you see this AYB? Which segment is this AYB? Can you see here from A to Y, Y to B? Yes. That is minor segment. They are asking us to calculate minor segment. Please keep this point in your mind. Here we are calculating minor segment. Then first you write the formula. In formula, what are the values are missing? We find out and we substitute over there. Simple. We know that area of segment A by B, that's nothing but minor segment. If you want, you can write minor segment is equals to area of sector minus area of triangle. Yeah. Now, can you name me which is the sector we have to find here? What is the name of the sector? O, A, Y, B, O. Correct? That is the name of the sector. Minor sector. O, A, Y, B, O. That is the complete sector. That is the complete sector. In that complete sector, we have to remove the area of triangle O, A, B. We have to remove the triangle O, A, B. Okay. Now, we know the formula to find the area of sector. To find the area of a sector, we have the formula that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Clear? Let me maintain in the bracket. Minus, we know the area of triangle, half into base into height. Now the picture is here. What is the base? We don't know. You know the value of AB? No. We don't know. You know height? No. We don't know. So I am going to use the formula. Area of triangle can also be find out by the formula half into r square into sin theta. Half into r square into sin theta. Now one more question, children. Sir, sin theta you said. I agree. Please observe here carefully. So you said sin theta. Am I right? Okay. Theta is how much? 120. Then what is sine of 120? We don't know. We know sine 0. We know sine 30. We know sine 60. We know sine 90. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 we know. Then what is 120? We don't know. Am I right? Yes. We don't know what is the value of sine 120 degree. For that, what to do? Sir, shit. Excuse me. Even for that, we have an option. We have the option. What is that option? Observe it. Yeah. See here. This is my figure. This is my AB. This is my O. Now, I am going to draw a line which is perpendicular to AB, 90 degree. Let me mark that point as M. No, I have got a right angle triangle OMB or OMA. You got the right angle triangle. In this right angle triangle, I know the value of this 21. I know the complete angle is 120. Then half angle will be 60. What is the half of angle? 60. No, I got one right angle triangle. This is my right angle triangle. Now this is my 90-degree and this is my 60-degree. I know the value of 21. Now easily I can find this value also and even this value also. Now I can find both the values. That is observe here. If this is 90-degree, this is hypotenuse. If this is acute angle, then this is opposite. And the remaining is adjacent side. I hope you know this.
Yes, sir.
Now, you know hypotenuse. Now I want to find opposite. In which trigonometric ratio you have opposite by hypotenuse? Sin theta. We know that sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. That is sin 60. Theta is 60. Opposite. What is opposite here? Let me say AM. Opposite is AM. Clear? Divided by hypotenuse. OA. Clear? Then what is sin 60? Root 3 by 2 is equals to AM by OA 21. OA is 21. Then what is AM? AM is equals to 21 root 3 by 2. We got the value of AM. We got the value of AM. What is AM? Base, adjacent side. So the value of AM is 21 root 3 by 2. Similarly, can I find, see AM we got. Now can I find the value of OM? How to find OM? We know hypotenuse. Now I want adjacent. In which trigonometric ratio we have adjacent by hypotenuse? Cos theta. We know that cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos theta is 60-degree. Adjacent OM. Hypotenuse 21. What is cos 60? Cos 60. Huh? Table. Opposite. Sin 30 value is cos 60 value. Cos 60. Sin cos 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Right? 0, 1. 1 by 2. 1 by root 2. Root 3 by 2. 1. 1. Root 3 by 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by 2. 0. Then what is cos 60? 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What is sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Understood? Understood? Yes. Now, dear students, very interesting fact. Okay. So, cos 60 is 1 by 2 is equals to OM by 21. Then OM is equals to 21 into 1 is 21 by 2 centimeter. We got here OM value and AM value. Both the values we got. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Now, can we find AB now? Now, how much is AB? AB is 2 times of AM. Can we write? AB is 2 times of AM. AM. See, how much is AM? BM is also same.
Yes, sir.
How much is AM? BM is also same. So, that is nothing but 2 times of AM. What is AM value we got now? 21 root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled. Answer is 21 root 3. That is the value of AB. AB is 21 root 3. Now we got base also, we got height also. Now we can find area of triangle. Understood how to find the area of triangle?
Yes, sir.
Copied? Yeah. Yes, students. Now, let me come back to this concept. Now, let me come back to the concept. Yeah. Now children, as you can see here, according to this figure, we know area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square minus, here we can't use half into r square sin theta because theta value was 120 degrees. That is the reason. If theta value was lesser, then directly we might have found out here. We no need to find this, or we no need to do those all circles. But here we have to use half into base into height. Clear? Now, what is theta value? What is the value of theta? 120. The total. We are taking here total value. So theta is 120 divided by 360 into pi value they have said us take 22 by 7 into radius is 21 centimeter. So 21 into 21. I am going to maintain bracket minus half into base. What is the value of base? How much AB? 21 root 3. Base was 21 root 3. Am I right? Into height. The height was 21 by 2. The height was 21 by 2. Now, let me come back to this concept. This 0 get cancelled. 12 ones are 12 fours are 36. Right? Sorry. 12 threes are 36. Then 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. This 7 get cancelled. Both the 7 get cancelled. Then 21 into 21. Left out is 21 into 21. 441. 21 into 21. 441. Sorry, 22 into 21. 462. Okay, 462. Minus, again, what can we cancel here? Here, again, 21 into 21. 441. Root 3. Numerator. This numerator. 21 into 21. 441 into root 3. Divided by 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Then what we should do? Can we take the LCM? Simple step. Take LCM 4. 462 into 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 6 are 24. 4 4s are 16 plus 2. 18. That is 1848 minus 441 root 3. Check once again. Huh? It is becoming a bigger number, right? See, whenever you get the bigger number like this, you can stop the answer here also. Keep the answer as it is. Keep the answer as it is. 462 minus 441 root 3 by 4. Keep the answer as it is. Since it is area, write centimeter square. Enough. Okay. Clear? Okay. Understood the area of segment, minor segment. And similarly, they are also asking us what? That only. Find the area of segment they ask, no? Anyhow, we have found the area of segment. 462 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Understood? Still, if you want to simplify, see here, 462 and 441. Can we take anything common factor? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. See here. See here. Accept this answer. Look at the numerator. What is left out? In numerator, what is left out? 22 into 21 is left out here. 22 into 21 is left out. Minus. Here, what is left out? 21 root 3 by 2 into 21 by 2 is left out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now, here also 21, here also 21. Can we take 21 as common? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Understood? Yes, sir. Like this also, if you want, you can take common factor and also you can solve. If you are not getting, you can stop the answer here also. By taking common factor also, you can reduce and keep. If not, you can keep the answer here also. No worries. 462 minus 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square. Any doubts?
Sir.
Sure? Yeah, very good.